I got this online. This is a doll stand that I got, and I'm going to put the link for where I got it in the info box below, so you can find it if you want to. But I'm going to put it all together now, because this is for you to build yourself. So I'm going to see if I can do that. We have the stand plate here, and we need a few tools. And it's all in Chinese, so that's just the way. So I have some pieces. Let's see if I can show you even better. I have some grabbing pieces here, and all the small parts are here on this part, and the pins for it, and then some screws. Let's see, I have a little thing here I can put them in so I don't lose them, like that. And then I need to figure out which of these I need for my doll, and as mine is a bigger one, I'm pretty sure I need the bigger pieces here. So I'm going to take the two big ones, taking them out. There we go. So I have these two pieces to grab onto the doll. So I need one of these to place it in. So I'm going to take one of these, place in this little thing in that end, and let's see how this is easiest to do. Placing that in there, and the other way, the other one the other way around. So I found my screwdriver, and I'm going to put this good together. There we go. Oh, that was a little too much. I like it to be able to move a little. There we go. And then I need what? A tiny piece. Let's see if I can figure out what we have here. I'm just going to take off these pieces. There we go. Oh, I need one of these. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to need these. I'm just going to take them all out here. There we go. I have all the parts. Let's see, I need this piece. No, this piece goes in here, like that. Then I need one of these, deciding for how high or tall I want the stand, and placing one of the smaller screws in there, and one of these, and putting this together. And then I need this one for the stand. Yeah, need this one, and I'm going to place that in here. Well, I could put a few more in here if I wanted to. Could be making things lots easier. I'm going to take the little one here and place that in here, and the little screw on the other side. See if I can get it all the way through. There it is. And the tighter you screw this, the more stiff the connection will be. And then I'm going to take this little piece and pop it in here. And that's just my husband making a lot of noises. He's out in the garden. It is really nice weather here at this point. And let's see if I can get this all the way through. Come on. There we go. And then this piece. And there we go. And then I'm just going to place that in there. So now I have the stand for my doll. And I have a lot of extra things here. I think you can place these on there. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, so if I want my doll to be able to stand in a different way, I can use this part. And where do it go? Here, I have these, so I can take some of these out and make a tinier stand for the doll, or even an extra stand, so this could go around her leg while the other one is going around her tummy or waist. But you can really do a lot of different things with this, and that's what I like about that. So I'm going to see, oh, that was bigger than the other. I like to use the small ones here. I like those. So I'm just going to take the long pin, put in here, in there, and come on, through this one and in there and there, and screw that together. So this could be used around her leg to keep her, and I can place that on this little extra pin here, so I would have both around her leg and around her waist. Well, that would mean that I have to make this shorter, but I could turn that out of the way and just use the one for the waist, the leg here. And that's pretty much all there is to this one. I really like this one. I hope you liked this video. If not, I don't care. I will put the link for where I got this in the info box below if you like to get it yourself. But I think this is pretty neat. So anyway, that's all there is to this one. Happy crafting!